Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the KABA number 64707000001 E Plex 5000 Series Lever Sleeve Accessory Kit for IC. This consists of two parts. Let's take a look at what those parts are all about. Look at some information down below this video as well. Exploded parts drawings to show us where this material fits in. Lever sleeve. This is part number 4. That's the outside lever insert. That's going to, of course, just pressure fit into the outside of your lever. Okay, let's take a look at those parts drawings that are there. Now, there are some exploded drawings that are down below that will allow us to review what the Part 4 and Part 6 look like. And they're there easily enough for you to review. You can pull up the first link that's there, the 5000 Series E Plex cylindrical parts list. And when that document comes up, you can certainly I was going to say you could certainly perform a find function on your keyboard and find it, but I am not locating it. Try this a slightly different way. Okay, so the document is not OCR compliant. So the first link that's there, the E Plex 5000 cylindrical, that's going to show you on the first page Part 4 and Part 6. If you're dealing with an interchangeable core, those are going to be your pieces. As you scroll down through that, you're looking for Part 4 and Part 5, Part 4 and Part 6, and you can get to where you will see those two items listed individually. Part 6, of course, is the Lever Sleeve Accessory Kit, which includes Part 6 and Part 9. Part 6 and Part 4 is how you'd get that. And it is apparently a product that's unfinished, so there's no finish associated with it at all. Let's take some basic dimensional properties, and really the purpose of this video is to serve as visual evidence of what the item is. This is the side that goes down to the lock. Outside diameter, .143. It has a thickness of 0.591 thick. Okay, tiny little plastic insert that's there. You know, since we have the technology, let's at least take the overall height of the thing. 0.794. The overall height of that is 0.794. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the KABA Access products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Several other encyclopedic documents are there as well, and that is indeed the page where we would deposit those types of printed documentation. Any questions on the KABA 64707000001? This is their Lever Sleeve Accessory Kit, or any other KABA product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.